In this video, I will walk you through the steps on how to resolve the issue of your Chick Fil A gift card not working. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so if you're facing troubles with your Chick Fil A gift card, then here's a simple solution for you. First things first, head over to the Chick Fil A website and navigate to their help center and just go to the gift card section. Now, scroll down a bit and look for the option that says having issues activating and tap on it. So once you're there, you will find information stating that they can replace the card, but there's a requirement. You need to have the purchase or activation receipt for the replacement request. Now, let's say you've got the necessary receipt. Now, go ahead and download the printable replacement form by clicking on the highlighted link. Now, all you need to do is just fill out the form, and once it's complete, you can either mail or email the document to the address provided on the form. And that's it. This is a straightforward process to get your Chick Fil A gift card sorted out. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.